Seven years ago, I developed a bronchial problem. I tried everything to heal it, but no luck. It just got worse and worse, to the point that every 2 to 3 minutes, I would have a deep coughing fit. And then I found something that would change my life forever. It was a Q-Vibes app that I easily installed on my cell phone, with a simple touch on my phone screen. No wires, no muss, no fuss. Just quantum healing waves hitting my whole body, and it felt great. 2 weeks after I signed up for my Q-Vibes monthly subscription, I was healed and cough-free for the first time in 7 years. I no longer have any desire to smoke cigarettes, and I am still cough-free 7 months later. The Q-Vibes technology helped me conquer my addiction. One day, I felt so good, I decided to walk across town to visit some old friends. Hello, old friends. It's been a long time since we've seen each other, so I thought I would come by personally to tell you I'm in much better shape these days. I feel so good, I'm gonna huff and puff and blow your leaves out of your yards for free. After quitting smoking, I left the demolition business and got into the landscaping business. I guess you could say I've turned over a new leaf.
This story was inspired by this actual member testimonial. 7 years ago, I developed a bronchial problem. I tried everything to heal it, but no luck. It just got worse and worse to the point that every 2 to 3 minutes, I would have a deep coughing fit. 2 weeks after I received my QT-Wave device, I was cough-free for the first time in 7 years. It was healed completely. I'm still cough-free 7 months later.